Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning enter settings. Now go to display, and here we've got all settings for our display. We can change between light and dark mode, and schedule it. Next, we can manually change brightness level or set it automatic. Also, we can enable sunlight mode. Then, we can turn on reading mode or schedule it. Also, we can change color scheme between auto, saturated and standard, and color temperature of our display. Next, we can change refresh rate between high and standard. Then we can change text size, manage device when is in VR, full screen mode, where we can select which apps has to work in full screen, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.